All right, so I think what I want to do now is put some stairs in uh, that go from the first to the second floor. So I'm going to go to my front view by pushing 1 on my keypad. I think that actually, let's go to, there we go. I'll push 7 on my keypad and go to the top view. I think I will push Shift and right click on my mouse button to roughly place the 3D cursor about there. I'm going to add a mesh, a cube in this case. I'm not terribly worried about the scale because I'm only using the cube as a placeholder for the moment. What I will do is push G on my keyboard, and I will use the arrow keys to move over and then up. If I'm in a hurry, I can, of course, always just grab the mouse to move it around, but I think this is just fine. I'm going to go to the front view and note that my cube is well below the existing structure that I built. So I'm going to also grab this and I'm going to slide it up so that it's placed approximately so that it matches the house. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reposition the 3D cursor. Let's get a look at this house, or at the cube, rather. And I'm going to tab to go into edit mode, and I'm going to grab that one specific vertex, and I'm going to push Shift S, and I'm going to move the cursor to what is selected. All right, so that being the case, I think I'll tab out, and I will hide the cube. And at this stage of the game, I'm going to place a couple of walls in to anchor the stairs to. So I'll go ahead and in Archimesh, I will add a room. There it is. I've got a wall with 0 thickness, but it exists. So I think what I'm going to do is right off the bat, let's widen this out a bit. And let's do 0.25, might be a little thick, we'll see. And then I'm going to make 2 walls. All right. So wall 1, I'm going to check advanced. I'm going to change the angle. Wall 2, I'm going to go to advanced, and I'm going to change the angle. And then I just need to adjust the lengths, and I will more or less have the walls. I might have to move them over. Let's take a look and see what happens if I just slide the length of the given items. Okay. So I'm going to call that all right. And then what I can do is separately grab the walls by pushing G and use the arrow keys to adjust them to what I want. Maybe I will, adjust the thickness. And either way, that gets me close to what I would like. One thing I might note, though, is let's make wall 1 a touch bigger since we're at it. Looking at it from the front view, that's wall goes a little bit higher than I would like. I want it to be level with the beginning of floor, the second floor. So I will also, from the front view, adjust the overall height until it's about what I'd like. And then we'll continue on with the stairs in a moment.